I'm holding my head if you didn't know.
I mean, yes, that's why I wanted to say here, take a good look, look closely at this shot. Martian is holding his head and has a heart in front of him.
I'm holding my head because the previous episode blew my mind. And we made toast sandwiches in these devices here, but instead of using toast bread, we used other things. Watch the previous episode as today's is similar. We'll use different ingredients instead of bread and search for wababen.
The toast will have a standard filling of yellow cheese and ham.
What do you have, Staba? What's our bread?
You started it.
Then I'll take cottage cheese.
Cottage cheese, sliced sausage, onion. And my idea is this, because someone might say, okay, that's too much, I don't get it. Okay, let me explain. We cut the onion into fairly thick slices, which will simply replace the toast bread for us.
Second, sand cake. Everything checks out. Great for toast, letter E, but it's good. Baked. I've never seen one this big.
When I hear sand cake, I picture the round one more. Like a volcano.
I never really liked it. Try it and see if it's okay.
What about the pound cake? I always love the round ones.
You need to dip it in something.
In some tea.
But it's so dry, God.
I didn't impress you with pancakes, so now I want to try with waffles.
But not the bar. Why are you talking?
Because I know they'll be better.
But don't say that. That's the thing, man. We're not making this toast with whalebone and balsamic vinaigrette or whatever. You just go to Biedra and grab it. All right, let's go. We know everything now. It's simple for me. I make toast, I just put the toast down. I put the toast down, we take it. Each one will be stuffed with yellow cheese.
I just put one down.
But this is going to be delicious, Staba.
As if now the ham...
And now pay attention. That was 2 minutes, Staba, and here it's already ready. That's pretty good too.
Damn, mine is cooking fast too. What's up with this electricity? It's somehow boosted.
So crumbly, but it'll be delicious. Let's dry it on a rack.
So it doesn't get steamed from the bottom.
Yes, it would be different.
There are holes there, so it's almost like a grate, just round.
Creative, we'll see about that. But it's nice. It's kind of pristine. How old this is, like some kind of homontoros. This cheese is really a new kind of homontoros cheese.
Oh God, now my idea with the onion.
All right, wait, and now I'll do it like this. In my opinion...
Without the packaging, yes.
Without the packaging, yes. Oh.
No, that's a good sound. That's a cool sound.
I'm putting cheese on it. I'm putting ham.
Cheese on cheese, Inception.
I'm not sure if I should add another cheese since nothing sticks to the ham and the top always falls off. And I do it like this. Cheese, ham, cheese, because we noticed that the ham just doesn't stick to the stuff on top. But now I'm gonna get everything dirty.
But he's fighting over there, making noises. He'll get there soon,
I'm putting him under pressure. You know what I mean?
Gravity.
If this gets discovered, it could be a game changer. I love things like that where you would never guess that it could be, for example, right?
If we can just, so to speak, evaporate the water.
Yes.
That's right.
We're making a tampon dam.
A shovel. I'll just hold it here like this.
Whoa, Jesus, that's intense. I sense there will be some lobabaniki since we're here to discover lobabani. Mr. Sebastian, it's time to eat these now.
This will be partly yours too.
And I have the same thing. Let's get started with the first topic. It went like this. I started talking about the sand cake, and I can already see myself slicing it. Here you go. First of all, like bread, it smells like almonds.
It looks like deep fried toast.
Look, it smells like almonds.
With this oil, you know, the kind they use for cakes.
Oh, Jesus, how chemical it turned out.
Oh, the ham and cheese don't stand a chance. I can taste that sweetness.
But the cake is better than the regular one. It blows your mind.
I like pound cake, but when it's warm...
Better, but it's moist. It's crunchy. These aromas, I don't know, caramelized. I don't know what happened to them, but they're more pronounced.
You don't have to wash it down.
6.
No. 7.
But that was, I didn't fight with 5.
That's because when you try the cake, and I like cake, I say sponge cake is good, but this one is better.
Oh, wow, Staba.
Have you ever eaten any as the producer intended?
No.
Me neither.
These will be awesome. Please come in.
Hey, I haven't eaten either as the producer said.
Yellow cheese jam, too sweet.
How is this sweeter than pound cake?
This is sweeter than pound cake.
Pound cake even has sprinkles on top.
Yes, this is sweeter than pound cake. It's just a dessert, but the ham still disappears.
How much sugar does it have in it? I mean, the waffle.
It's awesome to eat it. It has a great texture. Firm yet soft, slightly crispy yet moist.
But at home, I think I'd just make it with cheese only.
Yes.
With just yellow cheese.
Yes, that's true. Staba.
But it's good.
We definitely won't eat one toast.
Looks like your silicone leaked.
Yes.
This onion needs more time. It's still a bit shy.
Because look, I don't really believe it here. Maybe
if it's scraped off, it'll be good.
Maybe there's still a chance.
Without that paper, it doesn't look so bad, does it?
Hey, without the paper, it's much better.
It's not a disaster. It's still growing.
I'll tell you this, Mr. Sebastian.
Maybe it needs stirring or is meant to be scrambled eggs, but it's becoming more solid.
Yes, I'll get it to the right state, but what good will that do for our viewers? Well, this is the failed experiment, but that's why we're looking for flops. That's why we're looking for failures, to separate the wheat from the chaff, right?
If everything always worked out, it wouldn't be searching. Oh man, this would be good. This grated one, I feel like it's gonna be a hit. It's like Parmesan, but in the form of white cheese.
Do you think this will be a hit with that wafer and those cookies?
Yes, no, it will be.
Stabe will be.
Patience wins here.
Well, definitely not reason.
Well, in other words, this just won't be a breakfast version when you don't have time. And look how it's already being pressed into a square.
Slowly, right?
Hey, this onion is just so loud that it's actually annoying me. So this is the scraped off part. White cheese, cottage cheese.
How do you describe it?
It's a bit rubbery. It's a bit bitter on top.
What is this? Bitter? Sweet? Salty?
That's because I said it's rubbery, but not in a bad way. More like how gummy candies are rubbery and good.
But you can't.
There's a lack of seasoning here.
Yeah, well, that's not something.
But
Here you also have one with ham, so it might be different.
I don't want to jump to conclusions, but I think if I add some salt, it'll just taste like a hot dog with ketchup, right?
I think we made this onion too thick, Stabe.
No. Look, the cheese is just melted. It's not even burnt. All right, will salt make any difference here? Is there still a chance? Savory gummies to suck on for very mature people, over 40 or 50 years old.
It already happened and I had to press it down. Now it doesn't matter how I open it.
It's spilled. I don't understand. Why are you turning it?
I don't know.
What's the story?
I have no idea. We'll eat it with a spoon. What do you think?
I could even eat it with a knife.
But it's a pity because I've seen recipes, on TikTok where they make toast and stuff like that without flour. Did we finish the yellow cheese?
No. It's in the back.
Maybe I'd like it with cheese. He squeezed.
I'll squeeze it with cheese. The cheese is melting.
It'll firm up. That's how I'll serve it. Bam. Come on, buddy. Hand me your onion.
Whoa! Where did you get all that water?
No, not that. All right, pull it out.
But look, the water is only in this little triangle.
Because it's not a triangle for making, it's for straining. God, we didn't give grades.
No.
I'll give this one a 6 too.
I think we just talked. I didn't give any ratings. Oh, let's move it like this because it fell out of this.
Something didn't work out for us here. Damn, the last episode really blew our minds.
But that's often the case. There were just different products.
All right, I'll do this. We'll call the guys and eat it as experiment. Krzysiu, Primoz.
You know what? It kind of looks like you used a lighter on the end of it.
Do you recall the last episode?
We remember.
Was there a troublemaker?
There was.
We tried two. Two are getting cold. So try two together.
So this one first.
What does it smell like?
Like dessert.
Wait, like almond.
Yeah, the smell is strong, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just like from the bottle.
And for me, ice cream for dessert.
Almonds.
Cream flavored.
What kind are dessert ones?
Cream flavored.
Because there are also savory ice creams.
And dinner ones.
Cake, but. What is this? A base?
Well, cake.
Railway, I think.
Cake wins. Cake overpowers the sandwich. No.
I thought they were more perceptive, Stavar.
Like there's a rolling pin here, right?
I'm not looking, just watching what's on.
I eat whatever they give me.
I look with my soul.
Yes.
I feel the babka.
All right, and now,
Basically, you hid. Nice.
then try this cake.
You could give me antibiotics like that. Because I wouldn't notice.
Which is better, the cake warm or like this?
Warm cake is always better.
Yeah, pretty much. You don't have to make jokes anymore. Once the cake hit the table,
I'm glad that the uncles.
yeah, the uncle's already.
I have to disappoint you. I feel the same way. It was a bit burnt.
Generally, let me tell you this. If the cake is warm, it means it was just made. It's served from the heart. It's just like when mom takes it out of the oven and calls you sweetheart.
Don't touch it. It's for the holidays. Yeah, I know that. Yeah.
Yes,
Me too.
I love the adrenaline rush from sneaking a piece of warm pie.
that's true.
Getting busted for that pie was the best. That's the real taste.
Grandma 5 warmed up 6.
For the grandma,
It's okay.
I mean, I like the taste in general. But it didn't make such an impression on me.
There's no impression.
No. Already here? You can already smell the animal here.
The cake was more moist.
Well, yeah, but But it was falling apart too.
Yes, yes.
No.
And this pig is lean.
I'm not continuing.
Yes, yes.
Hey, if you gave me head cheese,
Is that good or bad? And when was the last time you ate head cheese?
I'd order. All right, unfortunately, I have to tell you that these things don't go together. They don't work together. They just don't want to be together.
Go fair.
This is a waffle separated from the ham.
I need a glass of milk with that to get it down my throat.
We didn't eat that, so let Staba prepare the onion bread.
Yes.
Right away, these onion bombs.
Yeah, but onion bombs.
They remind me of gold bars.
I.
Oh, Jesus, how will we eat this?
I guess we need a spoon for this, right?
All right, let's see.
Onion toast.
Like sushi?
I'll eat it with a spoon.
For me, it falls apart like cod.
A piece of onion. Cod, ha ha ha.
So good.
No way, don't tell me. Onion is Sigma.
Yeah, right.
If you fail, that's great.
Oh,
But this is good, and you.
Such slices, damn.
And there are no carbs.
Fuck.
How much onion is in a slice? And he made them so thick. Toast for keto people.
I could eat sandwiches with just onion.
And they're so healthy.
Wait, because for now, I'm just chewing on the onion.
Onion?
It's good.
Put the whole thing in, put the whole thing in.
The cheese finally melted here. You can really feel it. The ham also browned nicely.
Wow.
Those were really thick slices.
Are you starting already?
You can slice it thinner.
Are you starting already?
With what? Whoa.
I'm the last in the relay because I'm still chewing. I really like the taste.
Delicious. Scores. Give me the bar.
8 for the onion.
Since a raw onion like that is rare.
It wasn't raw.
I know, but I mean, onion isn't really my thing. Like, I don't always want to add it.
Okay.
And here is just delicious. This is a flavor enhancer. It's the kind that lures you to the snack.
Yeah, right.
And she says it's good. And it's really well made. Delicious. For me, it's 8.5.
9.
Well, I'll also give an 8, the fourth one. Unfortunately, gentlemen, I don't know how we'll approach this.
We'll leave it.
No, I don't know how we'll approach this. And I don't know how we'll eat this.
Oh, Jesus. I'd love to crunch on those edges.
That's interesting.
But it really does crunch like that, doesn't it? Crazy. It's cool that he's coming over.
Crunchy version.
Yeah, this is probably the best.
But we didn't believe it for a long time. It was so ugly.
Yeah, it was tough, but I think they're biting. I ate what fell off, and now I'm sure it's the salt.
Well, there you go. Krzysiek, salt?
Salt will change a lot.
For me, that's the thickest cheese in the pizza. It's like double, triple, quattro cheese on the pizza. That's it.
Formaggio.
Quattro formaggio?
You know what? I'll tell you this. Oh, I would never have guessed that this is made from white cheese.
No.
I would say that it's just a few slices that you simply made and stacked on top of each other.
It's still interesting which is cheaper, cottage cheese or yellow cheese.
Pure yellow cheese.
If you put it on pizza, you could actually cheat.
It seems you made a savory cheesecake pudding combo.
Hey, that sounds good. I'd eat it. Does it have fewer calories than yellow cheese, even though it's imitating it?
And here there's yellow cheese too.
Uh-huh.
Krzysiek, one more time.
Because Krzysiek thought he used the toaster.
I sliced the cottage cheese lengthwise like this. I put the bottom part down, then cheese, ham, and the top part of the cottage cheese.
Ham?
Hey, by the way, where's that ham?
There isn't.
There isn't any. It's shocking cottage cheese and yellow cheese replaced the ham.
It sucked it in.
It's not worth making given what's happening. But if someone offered me a piece, I'd gladly try it again. It's a shame. I wouldn't call this a toast. It was just tasty, but we can't say it was a toast.
No!
It was something that was reheated here because those were toasts.
Yes. And that would be a side for something.
No,
Like, yeah, it's interesting. Like, if you held it a bit longer, held it, would it eventually...
but that's from less than halfway through the episode, and I didn't pull it out in front of you so you can't make enough electricity for that toast. I'm not judging because I don't know how. This is tasty.
The previous episode, with those wababani and some tough ones, felt like an extra league within this league of toasts. And this is kind of like a top league still aiming to reach the elite league.
But luckily, we don't have to defend any food. We just say what it is. Gentlemen, today's king.
I know, I have it, and I'm shocked.
The king, right?
The king.
Or the queen.
The queen, because it's her.
I think it's her.
I think so.
Yeah.
Are we talking about this one?
Is this the queen?
Onioniada.
Onioniada, right? Onions.
Onions. Finally, Polish onions.
You can call it that. Give me that onion.
In a restaurant, you get an onion and pay onions for it.
Oh, look, Trudy always pushes out, and I'm always like this, and you can still see it.
But you have scoliosis. I can't take it anymore, right?